Hello, I'm WBZ TV meteorologist Barry Burbank, and I've got your forecast for the rest of this day and for the next several days with some important holiday travel week forecast coming up for us. And a quick review of November so far. You know how cold the last several days have been. In fact, added another blue square yesterday. Blue squares meaning below average days, and now that makes 12 in a row. We haven't seen that in a long time for that extended stretch of really chilly weather. So the mean temperature obviously is below average so far. But of course today is not a below average day. It's been a warm one so far. We're going to have a red square added to November 19th anyway. But today we have the wind. There is no high wind warnings up, but there is a wind advisory up by the National Weather Service up until 10 o'clock this evening. Now the wind's going to be shifting into the west by midday, and this afternoon it's going to be really gusty. 25 to 50 miles per hour, some brief gust to 50 miles per hour. At times it'll drop right down, doesn't seem like it's too windy, then all of a sudden, boom, a quick gust. And that's the way it'll be, spiking up and down through the afternoon. So there may be some isolated power outages, nothing widespread. We've already had our high temperatures for the day, which were 58 to 63 this morning, but we'll be falling into the 40s this afternoon because we have a cold shot coming from the Midwest and the Great Lakes and parts of Canada coming right into the Northeast on a beeline for Boston. So even way down south, there's been many areas much cooler than they have been over the last several days, except Florida, which is still in the warm air mass there. But this cold front is coming through, and we'll put an end to that, and the temperatures will be falling this afternoon as that cold air mass takes over. And a strong storm goes down the St. Lawrence River Valley. That means we'll have a lot of wind out of the west. Let's break it down, go through the afternoon. As we see more and more sunshine developing, we'll start to see patches of blue sky. Most of the showers will be moving offshore by later this morning. And then this afternoon, we'll see a good supply of sunshine and an expanding area of sunshine as a lot of the cloudiness disappears as the afternoon goes along. But look around 3 o'clock. It's 46 in Boston. It's not 60, almost 60 like it was this morning. It's in the lower 40s out to the west. There will be lots of clouds lingering over the mountains and some snow showers occurring there, some locally heavy snow squalls in parts of western New York State as the lake effect snow machine gets underway. The temperatures will fall down tonight, so by tomorrow morning they're going to be down in the 20s in many spots. I think we'll be down in the mid and upper 20s and to around 30 in Boston, then rising up to about mid-30s by middle tomorrow morning, and then during the afternoon about 39 should do it around Boston, 38 to the north and west, some lower 40s southeastern Massachusetts. There'll be a few clouds from time to time tomorrow afternoon, but for the most part the sunshine will prevail tomorrow, and we'll have a lot of sunshine on Tuesday too. If you're going to be traveling anywhere across the nation for this holiday week, it looks like you're going to have favorable conditions. Looks like Monday a system coming across the plain states will be pretty much dry, not producing much of anything, just a weak weather front there. There will be systems offshore from the Pacific occasionally throwing disturbances onto the Pacific Northwest, so that's the only place you might have trouble traveling this week. There might be some airline delays out there, at least airline delays in terms of the weather. And this disturbance here will come up over Florida eventually and give Florida some rain. And we may have a brief shower here Wednesday morning, and then the nice day takes over here for Thanksgiving. It's going to be on the chilly side for Thanksgiving here, with lots of sunshine, just a few clouds around during the day for Thanksgiving. Starting out around 24 in the morning, then you reverse those digits, you get a 42 for an afternoon high temperature. So it's going to be kind of cold for those road races and the football games in the morning. Fortunately, there's not going to be much wind. There'll be a little bit of a breeze and just enough to chill the air a little bit. But that's your Thanksgiving Day forecast. And here it is for the next 7 days. All lined out for you here. It looks like we'll have falling temperatures. That's why the 60s on the bottom number row of temperatures, because the high temperature occurred early this morning when we usually would see the low temperature. The high temperature, the temperature for the middle part of the day or middle part of the afternoon will be 47. Tomorrow's high around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, around 38. Tuesday's high about 56, so there'll be a nice warm-up on Tuesday. Still mild on Wednesday, but turning colder in the afternoon. A brief shower or two in the morning, especially southeastern Massachusetts. Then you get that nice weather on Thanksgiving, albeit cold. Looks like still partly cloudy, about 48 on Friday. Warming up on Saturday. After next Saturday, looks like we have 3 or 4 days of really cold weather to follow, with highs mostly in the 30s. That's your forecast for the week ahead. Have a happy and safe traveling week and a happy Thanksgiving. You can watch WBZ News tonight at late tonight, about 11:30. And then you can also watch it at 8 o'clock on My TV 38 for the latest news and weather updates. Have a nice day.